Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're not able to install Nvidia graphic card driver or the Nvidia updates are stuck. There are a couple of steps to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step, what I would suggest you to do is to go ahead and update the graphic cards driver from the device manager. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on the device manager. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the device manager window open, on this window you will have to go ahead and expand display drivers. If you have Nvidia graphic card currently installed on the computer, you will see that graphic card listed here. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on update driver. Once you're on this window, you will have to choose the option which says browse my computer for drivers and then choose the option which says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer and then choose Nvidia graphic model name. Once you have selected, you may go ahead and click on next and follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen. So what this will do is this will go ahead and install the graphic card drivers which are currently available on the computer. Once this is done, you would see a message saying that the graphic card drivers has been successfully installed. Once the installation is complete, you will see this window. You may go ahead and click on close and close this window, restart your computer, and that should go ahead and install the Nvidia graphic card update on your computer. Once this is done, another step what you could also try is to make sure your Windows is up to date. You can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you may go ahead and click on Windows Update on the left hand side and then choose the option which says check for the updates and see if there are any updates installed on the computer. And at the same time, you may go ahead and click on advanced option and then check if there are any optional updates to be installed. In case if there are any optional updates to be installed, you will see an option to go ahead and click on install. Install those updates, restart your computer. That should install all a graphic card driver on your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.